Today, Stan and I are going to show you one of the greatest things about being a mom. Come on, Stan. Here's Holden crying. Holden! Good morning. Good morning, cutie pie. Good morning. Can you say good morning, honey? Can you say good morning? You were crying and now you're not. Is that because Mommy's here? Yes. Is that because Mommy came and got you? Did you sleep good? Did you sleep good, honey? You're so cute. You're just getting so big. No more crying, right? No more crying. Huh, Holden? No more crying. Now you're happy. Happy. How cute is that? This is the best job I've ever had. Coming from someone who used to work 3 jobs at once. Yes, it is. Can we have one more smile? Can we have one more smile? Can we have one more smile, Holden? Come on. Aw. He's trying to say, good morning. Say, good morning, America and Canada. Good morning. Okay. Say, have a good day. Bye.